Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Karina. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious Southwest egg rolls. These are similar to the ones at Chili's, but better. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 pound of chicken breast fillets, and I'm going to season it with some garlic salt. And we do the same for the other side. Some paprika, flip them over. We let them marinate for 10 minutes. I set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we start adding the chicken. I'm cooking the chicken, but if you wanna save time, you can use pre-cooked chicken or rotisserie chicken. After about 5 minutes, we flip them over and continue cooking. After about 10 to 12 minutes, your chicken should be fully cooked. We turn off the heat and set it to the side. Now we're gonna cut the chicken into smaller pieces. We're gonna start making the filling for the egg rolls. I set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add half of a small white onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 jalapeño, and 3 minced garlic cloves. And we cook for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes and now I'm gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some paprika. Give it a mix. Now it's time to add 1 can of corn and we add a 15-ounce can of black beans. We mix it. After about a minute, we add in the chicken and also some cilantro. Mix it all in. We cook for about 2 minutes and remove from the heat. Now I'm gonna start wrapping our egg rolls and I'm using these egg roll wraps. We're gonna add the filling. I'm gonna add some cheese and I'm using a combination of Colby-Jack and Monterey Jack cheese. Remember that everything is to your liking. You can add as much as you'd like. Now we're gonna close it up and start wrapping it. And then we do the sides. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to close it up. Just like that. And we keep doing the same. We add some filling, cheese, wrap it up. With this filling, I made about 20 egg rolls. I set my pan to low-medium heat with some oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna start frying the egg rolls. Make sure to fry on all sides until golden, and it should take you about a minute. These are ready and I'm gonna take them out. We keep doing the same for the rest of the egg rolls. All right guys, moment of truth. These are my favorite at Chili's. If you haven't tried them, you should definitely try them. I honestly think they're better than Chili's. So, cheers. I made this dressing. It's creamy cilantro dressing. And I'm gonna leave the video linked below if you're interested. But it's so delicious. It goes perfect with these egg rolls. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!